Hello, look what do we have. A brand new iQOO 8GB 256 internal and a Snapdragon of 870. I got this video, I got this phone, and my friend also was interested, he liked it, and we ordered one more. Let's unbox this beast. There we go, the beast incarnate, iQOO 7. As you can see, it is all sealed. I'm unpacking it. Beautiful colors. You see the reflection of sun. There it is. Let's keep this aside. iQOO 7. Tilt it, take it out, remove it. All the covering is gone. Now let me focus on this. Looks like the screen is not broken. I'm going to unseal it. I think one should be fine. Let's. Oh my god. Look at that. There's a monster inside. You have to be cautious. Oh. Look, the monster is sleeping. Oh, wake up, my buddy, wake up. Don't worry, it's not gonna touch the phone as it has cover everywhere. This is along with the cover. A fantastic charger and a cable with that power adapter. Now I'm going to open this beast. Trust me, this is huge. The feel in the hand, just next level. And let's close this box for now. Keep it here and tear it from this side. I don't know if I can tear it with one hand or with just moving it. Hey, I was able to. Look. There's the beast. There is the beast. Now I will click the power button and see what does it say. Okay, it says the same thing. Oh, it has started. Freaky, I was about to freak out. The previous one that I had ordered, okay, that had a password in an unboxed, untouched phone. Excellent. Let's stop this video. We'll give a full review later on sometime. Thank you so much for being. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.